Click muna natin, tapos lagay natin dito yung ating microphone, and then testing tayo. Hello, mic test, hello, mic test, mic test, hello, hello. Okay. Nagwo-work naman po ang ating microphone, okay? So, hello, my dear. Hello, hello, hello. My dear Capricorn, welcome or welcome back sa ating channel. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. At ang gagawin natin ngayon, my dear, is ang iyong second half of December. This is from December 16 hanggang sa katapusan, and this is a general reading. So, reminder, paalala lamang po na ang gagawin natin today ay general reading. So, hindi po ito 100% na magre-resonate para sa ating lahat. So, please, lower your expectation pagdating po sa mga general reading, and para naman po dun sa mga gustong mag-inquire or magpa-reading, magpa-book ng appointment, my dear, nasa description box down below, my dear, lahat ng kinakailangan mo para makontak ang inyong lingkod, okay? Huwag pong mahiyang mag-message, okay? Kung sa Facebook page mo napapanood to, my dear, mag-direct message ka na lang sa akin, okay? At don't worry kung hindi mo naintindihan lahat ng sinabi ko, my dear, may pa-slide tayo dyan sa baba, basahin mo na lang, okay? So, let's go na tayo, my dear Capricorn. Second half of December. Asan na ang aking pamaskuhan, Capricorn? Joke lang. Okay, we have here the energy of the Wheel of Fortune, okay? Every time na lumalabas ang Wheel of Fortune, my dear, sa reading ko, napakaganda ng energy na dala niya. Kasi ito, my dear, yung energy na you will be given a second chance, my dear Capricorn, na sumubok ulit sa buhay. Just in case lately, meron ka mga failure, meron mga nangyayari sa buhay mo na hindi maganda, meron mga hindi kaaya-aya, my dear, na meron ka mga kaaya-ayang hindi pinagdadaanan, my dear, okay? Meron mga opportunities na pakiramdam mo na miss out mo, my dear. Okay, yung sayang, sana grab ko to, sana ginawa ko to, yung mga ganyan. Isa sa energy pa, my dear, ng Wheel of Fortune is ang pagbabalik ng mga tao. Okay, may mga ganun, may mga tao na babalik, may mga magbabalik loob, yung mga ganyan. Kasi is more on parang pag-ikot eh. Okay? Something na parang dumaan na, my dear, ang babalik, my dear. Okay, so tingnan natin ha. Tingnan natin. Mahirap mag-conclude, my dear Capricorn, sa iisang card lang. Let me see. Capricorn, kasama ng ating Wheel of Fortune. Let me see. We have here the energy of the Fool card. Okay, I think, my dear, may kinalaman to sa career. Okay, may kinalaman sa career or may kinalaman sa manifestation, my dear. Okay, I can feel, my dear, sa card na to, na parang meron kang susubukan ulit. Meron kang itatry ulit. So, expected mo, my dear, ngayong second half of December, yung confidence, okay? Yung excitement, okay? Yung willingness talaga, my dear Capricorn, na, ay, gagawin ko to, susubukan ko ulit, okay? Change of, parang nakukuha ko, my dear, is more on parang change of mood, change of energy, parang something like that, na bigla ka ulit nagkaroon ng interest sa bagay na yan, and susubok ka ulit, magtatry ka ulit, okay? Kung may kinalaman to, my dear, sa career. Definitely may kinalaman to sa career, my dear Capricorn. More on career to, napakaganda. I can also feel, my dear, na meron mga offering. Okay, meron mga offering, baka doon sa tendency na baka meron mga mag-o-offer sa'yo ng job, ng trabaho, okay? This is very, very nice, my dear, sa mga business, okay? Kliyente, ay ang ganda nito, my dear Capricorn. So if you have business, expected mo, my dear, na baka magkaroon ka ng mataas na sales ngayong second half, my dear, of December, okay? Let me see. Next card is the energy of the Nine of Swords, okay? Something na parang, alam mo yun, something na parang nag-overthink ka, okay? Something na nagkakos ng Nine of Swords sa'yo, my dear, okay? Alam mo, hindi ko siya pwedeng na parang, ay, nagna-Nine of Swords ka, Capricorn. No. Kasi yung dalawang card, my dear, na nauna is very, very positive, napakaganda, my dear. So, kung titingnan mo, my dear, based on how I read the card, okay? Sinasabi dito, my dear Capricorn, na yung mga, just in case lately, meron ka talagang pinagdadaanan, okay? Meron ka pinagdadaanan, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, problema, sleepless night, okay? Something like that. Problema sa career, okay? Or meron ka mga manifestation, my dear, na parang hirap na hirap ka talaga, my dear, na ma-push through, okay? Ang ganda nito. Very, very nice, my dear. Kasi there's a tendency, my dear, na baka makaisip ka, my dear, ng solusyon, okay? Sa mga problem mo, sa mga pinagdadaanan mo, my dear, ngayong second half of December. Very, very nice. Ang ganda talaga ng energy, my dear. I love it. Okay? Let me see. At saka yung pag-overthink mo, yung pagkakaroon mo ng anxiety, my dear, nawawala siya. Yung pag-overthink mo na, ay, paano pag ginawa ko to? Confident ka lang talaga, my dear Capricorn. Like, the confidence is there. Talagang gagawin ko to, ganito, ganyan. Alam ko, I know what to do, yung ganyan. Talagang very confident ka lang talaga, my dear. I love it. Okay, let me see. Next card, 8 cards lang tayo, my dear. We have here the energy of the death card, okay? Parang sinasabi mo dito, my dear, na I'm done. Ayoko na. Ayoko na sa ganito, okay? This is energy of transformation. Alam mo, my dear, for some of you is baka lilipat din kayo ng work, mag-change kayo ng work, okay? Baka nagbabalak kayo lumipat ng work, mga ganyan. Change of career, pwede din, my dear, okay? Napakaganda dito. Pero ang pinaka-point mo kasi dito, my dear, is mag-new beginnings. Itong dalawang card na to, this is a power duo, my dear. Power duo ng new beginning, the death card at saka the full card. Pinagigitnaan, my dear, ng ating Nine of Swords. Okay? Pinagigitnaan ng ating Nine of Swords. So, ibig sabihin, my dear, kung ano yung bumabagabag sa'yo, kung ano yung, my dear, na naglalaro sa isipan mo, yan nagkukos ng sleepless night, yan nagkukos ng overthinking sa'yo, my dear Capricorn, i-end mo na yan, my dear, or mag-i-end na yan, my dear, ngayong second half of December. You know what, my dear? Kahit sabihin mong ito yung mga card na to, okay? Very important, my dear, talaga yung first card ko, the Wheel of Fortune, okay? Wheel of Fortune is iikutin mo ulit, my dear, ang ruleta, aayusin mo ulit ang buhay mo, i-organize mo ulit, my dear, ang buhay mo. Very, very nice. Malakas lang talaga yung energy, my dear, sa area talaga ng career, okay? Napakalakas, my dear, sa area ng career, okay? Kung sa relationship, okay, I think meron mga tao, or sabihin natin, wag natin sabihin may relationship, sabihin natin connection. Okay, connection. I don't wanna put any label na love reading to or something. Sabihin natin connection. Family, friends, and relationship is welcome, my dear Capricorn. Sabihin natin, my dear, if meron mga tao na gustong pumasok or bumalik sa buhay mo, kasi o karelasyon mo yan, kaibigan mo yan, or something, I think, my dear, you will put an end to this. Okay? You will put an end to this. Okay? Sasabihin mo, sorry, hindi ka na pwedeng pumasok, hindi na kita pwedeng entertainin, ayoko na, pagod na ako, tapos na ayoko na, mag-new beginnings na ako, maghanap na lang ako ng ibang jowa, ng ibang papa, maghanap na lang ako ng iba. I think, my dear, sinasaayos mo yung buhay mo ngayon, my dear, second half of December, very, very nice, my dear, na energy. Sobrang ganda. Okay, let me see, my dear, last 4 cards na lang tayo, my dear, last 4 cards, kumapit ka, okay? And parehas silang may sun. Okay, yung full card may sun sa likod, yung death card may sun din sa likod, my dear. So, new beginnings ka nga talaga, my dear. You will be trying again, okay? At the same time, you will be cutting toxic energy, toxic connection, okay? Tingnan natin. The Empress, okay? You learn your lesson, my dear, okay? You learn your lesson. I think for some of you, kaya medyo na-stuck kayo, okay? Because of, siguro hindi mo na-expect na mangyayari sa iyo to. Hindi mo expected, my dear, na idadaan ka sa daan na ito, my dear. So, siguro, for some of you, my dear, I'm just assuming, okay, na nandun ka, my dear, sa period o sa area ng buhay mo na parang hindi ko ina-expect na mangyayari sa akin to. Hindi ko ina-expect na magpe-fail ako. Hindi ko ina-expect na lolokohin ako. Hindi ko ina-expect na ibabackstab ako. Yung nangyari, my dear, sa'yo na nagkakos ng Nine of Swords, it really doesn't matter kung ano man yan, my dear, na nangyari sa buhay mo. I think hindi mo siya expected. To the point na meron ditong Empress, and the Wheel of Fortune combination, my dear, you learn your lesson. Okay, you learn your lesson, my dear, and naiintindihan mo na, my dear, kung bakit ka dinaan dito. Bakit nangyari itong mga bagay na to? Bakit kayo pinagtagpo? Bakit nag-fail? Bakit hindi naging maayos yung takbo ng isang bagay? Bakit nangyayari sa ito lahat? Okay, naiintindihan mo na siya, my dear. Dahil naiintindihan mo na siya, my dear Capricorn, nagkakaroon ka ngayon ng motivation na mag-try again. Okay? Napakaganda ng energy, my dear. Let me see. Next card tayo, my dear Capricorn. Once again, ang reading natin is para sa yung second half of December. We have here the energy of the Knight of Cups, partner ng ating full card. Ang Knight is more on offering. Isa sa energy pa ng Knight natin, my dear, is merong, nasa desierto siya dito, my dear, pero kung makikita mo, merong tubig sa desert. May water sa desert, okay? So, it's really, parang unbelievable na may water sa desert. So, ang pinaka-highlight na pumapasok sa akin ng energy, my dear Capricorn, is more on nakakita ka ng something doon sa pangit. Parang something na ugly na nangyari sa buhay mo, and then meron kang napansin, meron kang nakita, or meron kang napulot doon, my dear. Kumbaga sa basurahan, meron kang napulot na something very, very valuable. And I think, my dear, that is more on lesson. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko, my dear. This is also energy of offering. You will be going out sa world. Okay, for some of you, baka magkikipag-date kayo. For some of you, baka papasok kayo sa panibagong relationship. For some of you, baka mag-change kayo ng career. For some of you, baka i-build up ninyo yung sarili ninyo, iayusin ninyo yung sarili ninyo, i-fix ninyo yung sarili ninyo. For some of you is, halos lahat na yata nasabi ko na over here, my dear. For some of you is mag-start all over kayo, my dear. Okay? Etong energy na 9 of Swords, wala na to. It's already over. Okay? Speaking of 9 of Swords, clarify natin. 9 of Swords. Capricorn, paki-clarify po. Last 2 cards na lang tayo, mga my dear Capricorn. Last 2 cards, Capricorn. Oh my gulay. We have here the energy of the Hierophant, okay? Dalawang card, okay? Ang bonus natin. We have here the energy of the Hierophant, kapartner ng ating 9 of Swords. Ang Hierophant natin is connected sa energy, my dear, of spirit, okay? It's more on spiritual, something like that, okay? I think, hindi ka man nakakakuha, my dear, ng comfort galing sa mga tao around you. I can feel, my dear, na parang merong spirit, okay? Merong somebody na posibleng hindi mo nakikita na kino-comfort ka ngayon. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko, my dear. Somebody's comforting you, kino-comfort ka, sinasabi sa'yo na everything will be okay, everything will be fine. Let us just say angels, okay? Let us just say, specific, everybody believes on angels, okay? Your angels is actually comforting you right now. Kino-comfort ka ngayon, my dear. And inaalis ka talaga, my dear, dito sa energy ng 9 of Swords. Sabi ko nga kanina, very highlighted talaga, my dear, na binubulong sa'yo, my dear, na learn your lesson na lang. Ano lang yan, dinaan lang kita dyan para meron ka lang matutunan. Dinaan lang kita dyan para meron kang ma-pick up na something, okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear, okay? Last 2 cards natin over here. We have here, bonus yun nasa likod, bonus yun nasa likod. And we have here the death card. Anything, my dear, na stuck ka, anything na hindi ka makapag-decide, anything, my dear, na nagkakos ka ng 9 of Swords over here, tatanggalin mo na yan, puputulin mo na yan. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, sabi ko nga, my dear, for some of you is baka makikipag-date na kayo. For some of you is ikakat na ninyo yung toxic na relationship, any connection, my dear, family man yan, friends man yan, tatanggalin mo, my dear, ikakat mo talaga, my dear, and mag-go out ka sa world. Kasi alam mo, my dear, sa puso mo na marami pang naghihintay sa iyo out there, okay? Parang ganon. It is just a waste of time. Nasayangin ko yung oras ko sa iyo, my dear. Anything na, my dear, na nai-stuck ka, my dear, will end. We have here the energy of the judgment. Darling. Okay. Yeah, it's about time for you to be free, my dear. It's about time for you to huminga, okay? Exhale, okay? Ang tagal mo naka-inhale. It's about time for you to exhale, okay? Yun na nakukuha ko dyan, my dear. It's about time for you to be free, okay? To be free sa mga problema, okay? I think, my dear, na-stuck ka lang talaga. Okay, na-stuck ka lang talaga because na-shock ka dun sa kung ano yung nangyari. Yun na nakukuha ko, my dear. Na-shock ka talaga, my dear, sa kung ano yung nangyari. Okay, we have here the energy of the Page of Cups. You're trying to control your emotion. Okay, we have here the energy of the Knight of Wands. Okay, which is more on energy na explore. And the 8 of Pentacles connected sa energy ng work. Congratulations, my dear Capricorn. Masigabong palakpakan naman po dyan para sa ating mga my dear Capricorn. Congratulations, my dear. Second half of December is the beginning of the beginning. Napaaga ang New Year mo, my dear Capricorn, okay? Everything is, actually, you decided, ikaw mismo, my dear, nag-decide na ayoko na sa sitwasyon na to, ayoko na sa ganitong kalagayan, and it's time for me to go, okay? Ganon. So, my dear Capricorn, ito ang reading mo para sa yung second half of December. Somehow, my dear, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating reading, don't forget na mag-subscribe. Pag-click, my dear, ang notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. And free to like, free to share, free to comment sa lahat po ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po, and until next time, bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.